Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing something for the first time. Is a lasagna. So what we're going to be using is a Stouffer's. Stouffer's is really good. They do really good lasagna. It's a frozen lasagna. It's not homemade. And I know, guys, I know it's not homemade. I ain't got the time to make homemade today. So we're going to go with this. A lot of people like to use this. So we're going to do it. All right. So this is asking for $375 in the oven for an hour. So I'm going to lower it down a little bit, 350, so it can stay there a little bit more. Incorporate a little bit more of that hint of that smoke flavor that we're looking for. Well, that being said, let's fire up that Traeger. All right, guys, here we have it. We're going to take this off. So we're going to slow cook this, bake it, or whatever, slow smoke it. Right in the middle. We're going to be back in 1 hour and see how it is. All right, guys, it's been there for 1 hour, and looks like we still need a little bit more. So I would say another half hour. Another half hour, we'll be back. All right, guys, we're back, and we are done. It took an hour and a half. So now let's take it out and we'll be back. Alright, guys, we are done. So it took a whole hour and a half. So before we cut into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did. Alright. Just gonna cut a little piece. Yeah, look at that. All right, guys, we're back. All right, here we go. This is the moment of truth. It's cooked very well. Hopefully we incorporate that smoked flavor in it. Oh, damn. So at 350, you're not going to have that much smoke flavor, but you do have a hint of it. And having that little hint of that smoke flavor in this, it just, oh my God, it's really good. Wow. Wow. I'm loving this. Oh my God, it's so good. I know the instructions tell you to leave the wrapper in there. But what's the whole point of leaving the wrapper in there and put it in the Traeger if you're not going to use it right? You know, you're not going to get any smoke flavor when it's covered. That's why I took it off. And it took a little bit longer. But dang, this is good. This is good. And I know you guys are going to like it. So, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit the like. Make sure you hit that boom, hit that subscribe button, because there's more great content coming. And you guys do not want to miss any of it. And make sure you guys check out these videos. Traeger videos or Blackstone. Ooh, Blackstone. There's a lot of good stuff on Blackstone. Check them out. Or stick to Traeger. Alright? Hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you guys next time.